I love a challenge. Like, we're super passionate about our consumers delivering 5-star products for them, like products they love. Hey, I'm Michelle. I'm a Senior Manager of Product Development for the EMEA region, and I'm based out of the London office. Today we're talking about our NeverChange air purifiers. Whether it's in the US, Italy or Spain, or Germany or France, having to replace a filter, as often as every 6 months, that's a universal pain point that we can solve. This debris defense system, the design is a good example of form and function coming together. They're capturing large particles, lint, hair, dust, before that would go into the HEPA filter. That preserves the life of your HEPA filter up to 5 years. Pet dander in the air, maybe you've got allergies, there's a lot of dust, do a lot of cooking. It's doing its thing, but you've got confidence in the air you're breathing. We're all about efficiency. We don't want to fill our homes up with more products than we need. We want to make the most of the space we have. We love that, and our consumers here love that. It's simple, it makes so much sense, right? Change your air, not your filter.